How do construction estimators use unit pricing? Imagine you're planning a big building project and need to figure out how much everything will cost. You might wonder how experts come up with those numbers. Well, construction estimators use a method called unit pricing to make those calculations accurate and straightforward. This approach helps them break down complex projects into smaller, manageable parts. They look at materials, labor, and equipment costs for each specific unit of work. For example, they might price out concrete by cubic meters or flooring by square feet. The first step for estimators is to identify the units they will use. If they are estimating for a foundation, they might measure in cubic meters of concrete. For roofing, they could use square meters of material. Once they know the units, they find out how much each unit costs. They gather prices from suppliers, market rates, or labor wages. This gives them a unit price that includes all expenses for that specific unit. Next, they estimate how many units are needed for the project. If the plans show a building with 1,000 square meters of flooring, they estimate that amount based on the drawings and specifications. Then, they multiply the number of units by the unit price. This calculation gives the total cost for each part of the project. For example, if 1 square meter of flooring costs $20 and the project needs 500 square meters, the total for flooring would be $10,000. Estimators also keep track of actual usage during construction. If they find they used more concrete than initially estimated, they can adjust the costs accordingly. This helps keep the project within budget and avoid surprises. Using unit pricing makes it easier to change plans or quantities without starting from scratch. It also makes bidding on projects simpler because contractors can clearly show how they arrived at their prices. For someone pursuing a career as an estimator, mastering unit pricing is essential. It helps them analyze project requirements, estimate quantities accurately, and set realistic costs. This skill ensures projects stay profitable and clients are satisfied. By understanding how to use unit pricing, estimators can better manage project costs, improve their professional reputation, and grow in their careers. Whether working on small renovations or large commercial buildings, this method is a key tool in the construction industry.